Good morning. We are going to continue today about the comparison between animal and plant cells. As we said yesterday, the animal cell and the plant cell can show similar or different parts. These parts are observed in this diagram or in this figure. And of course, yesterday we have solved this Venn diagram to compare between the similarities and differences between animal and plant cells. But using this diagram, you have to find out the role or function of each part. For example, Fatima Ismail, what can the cytoplasmic membrane do? Or what is the role of the cytoplasmic membrane?
It controls everything that enters and leaves the cell.
Excellent. What about the nucleus, Ahmad?
Controls all
Activities of the cell. Thanks, Ahmad. Noor Wahbe, what about the cytoplasm?
the cytoplasm liquid where the
Majority.
of
Majority,
cellular
yes.
activities take place.
Excellent. Majority means major. Most. Most or major. What about the cell wall, Adam?
Cell wall protects the cell.
Thanks, Adam. Hussein Zara'ed. What about the vacuole?
Yes, vacuole allows the storage of water sugar.
Excellent. Noor Atwin. What about the chloroplast?
Chloroplast plays an important role in the photosynthesis.
Excellent. Now, by using this information, please you have to mention or using the above document indicate the role of each of the following parts. Please, you have just 1 minute in order to find out the role of each part using the above document. Please start writing. So, this is the correct answer of part B. I will repeat it again. The cytoplasmic membrane controls everything that enters or leaves the cell. The vacuole allows the storage of water and sugar, and of course, sugar is the glucose or nutrients made by green plants. Cell wall protects the cell. Chloroplasts play an important role in photosynthesis to produce their own food. Of course, it's only about the green plants. Nucleus, it controls all the activities of the cells because it is the site of DNA. Now, in activity 4, we have to mention the different cells of the human body in this activity, not about the animals, the different cells in your body, which are located in different parts or different organs. Mariam, please can you start reading the human body?
The human body is made up of different types of cells. It contains 300 kinds of cells. These cells are specialized. They differ in their
They
functions.
differ. Sorry, Mariam, they differ.
Okay. They differ in their functions and consequently in their structures, their shapes, their size. The cells of a human are not all identical to those of the cheek cell. Here are the few examples.
Thanks, Mariam. Thanks, Habib. So, the human body, as you know, is made of different kinds or millions of cells. Here we are going to start identifying different kinds of cells found in the human body. For example, of course, all the cells have different shapes, different sizes, different structures. we took before, or we have studied before, about the cheek cell in your body. But here we have to find more and more examples of the cells found in your body. For example, in document 1, the blood cells, and as we know, the blood cells are the red blood cells, RBC, white blood cells, WBC, and the platelets. Red blood cells carry oxygenated blood. White blood cells are the body defenders, or they make up the immune system to defend your body against microbes or germs, bacteria, etc. While the platelets stop or make blood clotting, stop bleeding. So this is the document 1 shows the blood cells. When you have a wound in your body, when you are injured, these are the kinds of blood cells, which are red blood cells, white blood cells, and the platelets. It is not mentioned here. They are not mentioned here. But in each cell we have a nucleus. As we said before, the nucleus is the site of DNA. It controls all the activities of the cell. So in each cell I have a nucleus inside. Now let's move to document 2. Document 2 shows the muscle cell or muscle fiber. As we know in grade 4, the muscles are the body organs that allows the body movement. They make up, move, allow us to move, allows body movement. Also, the muscles cover the bones of the body. I have in this photo biceps muscle and the triceps muscle. When the biceps muscle, for example, contract, the triceps muscle relax. This is another kind of cells. So I have now 2 cells, blood cells and muscle cell. Document 3 shows the nerve cell. Nerve cell. The nerve cell controls all your body movement, all your body actions. It is located in the brain. The nerve cell located in the brain, and in all your body you have nerves. In all your body organs there are nerves. So the nerve cell of the brain is seen here under the microscope. It also has a nucleus. These prolongations that you see, these prolongations that you observe here, wait Nawaf and Noor please, are made of axon, dendrites and cell body. We are going to learn about them later. Now but first now please you have to pay attention on this only. Before I continue, some students have questions. Please, what is your question Nawaf, please, in English?
What is the role of a plant cell?
Okay teacher, thanks Nawaf. The difference between all these human cells and the plant cell, for example, the plant cell has many plastids or some specialized features such as chloroplasts, amyloplasts and etc. to produce their own food. It is only for the green plants. But the nerve cell, for example, controls the body movement or all the body actions. For example, the muscle cell allows your body to move. The bone cell supports your body. Each cell of an animal or a human cell has a different size, different feature, different structure and different function. Document 4 shows the bone cell. And as you know before, that the bone cell supports your body and gives it its shape. The bones gives your body the shape. Thanks for the students who are writing the function of each cell. Now, this is the schema. Schema means diagram, figure or photo of the bone cell seen under microscope. It has also one nucleus inside. Next, we are going to identify in this session all the cells, okay? Only identifying them. Document 5 shows the intestinal cell, which is found in your intestines. It is the small and large intestines. And as you see, we have cilia, which are like hairs, small hairs that surround the cell, as we said before. The cytoplasmic membrane, cytoplasm, and also nucleus. This cell is a part of the digestive system that helps you. This cell helps you to make or absorb all the nutrients in order to pass into the blood. So this is all about documents 1 till 5 about the human cells that they are found in our body.